area. Okay, my last rock for you is this one. And this is undisputed, by the way. Some human being made this rock. Now you say, oh, it must be something chipped off the side of a cliff. Now, as I said before, human beings were starving at some point, and they did this carvings to ask their gods or God to feed them. So you got this guy screaming. He wants food. He wants food like soon as he can. But you say, well, maybe that's just one side. Maybe. I think this is a mother. This is a mother bird that's screaming for food. For who? For her babies. See that right there? Right there? That's an enclave.